how to change Facebook password if forgotten. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. You do not have to worry if you have forgotten your Facebook password. I'll help you out. Let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app, go to the three lines in the top left, go to settings and privacy, head over to settings again, and then you need to click on account center. Now here go to password and security, and then you need to tap on change password, tap on your profile, and then you can see forgotten your password option. Just tap on it. This will take you to a new page, and then you can choose whether you want Facebook to send code via WhatsApp, send code via Facebook notification, via SMS. And once you do this, you will receive a code and you need to enter the code, and you can reset your password without putting in your current password. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.